Taste test! How do we taste tastes? The tongue, is very important when we taste tastes. Did you know that the tongue is a big muscle, kind of like your arms or your legs? It detects textures, temperatures, and of course, flavors. The flavors that we can taste are sweet, savory, salty, sour, and umami. Your tongue is covered in tiny bumps called papillae, and even tinier bumps called taste buds. Your sense of taste begins in the taste buds, and there are these tiny strands of hair called taste hair. They're not real hair, that send a signal to your brain to let you know what flavors you're tasting. But wait, have you ever eaten
With a stuffy nose?
Not only do you need your taste buds to eat, but you also need another sense. Smell! When you smell your food, a chemical gets sent straight up to your brain by way of cells and sends signals there to make sure that you're eating something that's yummy. So not only do you need your taste buds, but you also need your nose.